The quarterfinals are complete, and after 2 days of pure drama, the final four is set. Spain needed a late winner to break Belgian hearts. England survived a Haaland scare and an extra-time epic against Norway. And Argentina came from behind to outlast Switzerland. 4 teams left, 4 former world champions. Let's break it all down. Let's go. First, in Los Angeles, Spain and Belgium. Fabian Ruiz gave the European champions the lead, but Belgium hit back through Charles de Ketelaere to make it 1-1, and it looked like it might go to extra time. Then, in the 88th minute, up popped that man again. Substitute Mikel Merino, pouncing on a rebound to win it 2-1. If that name sounds familiar, it should. Merino scored the late winner against Portugal too. The ultimate super sub. Spain are through, and they'll meet France in a blockbuster semifinal. Next, England versus Norway. And this one had everything. Norway's superstar Erling Haaland, who has scored in every single game he's played this tournament, struck again to put Norway ahead. But England refused to fold. Jude Bellingham popped up right at the end of the first half to level it. And then, just 3 minutes into extra time, Bellingham struck again to complete the turnaround. England limited Haaland when it mattered, dug deep, and won it 2-1 after extra time. Heartbreak for Norway and their fairy tale, but England march into the semifinals. Real quick, before we set the bracket, if watching this makes you want to build your own faceless sports channel, the tool I use to speed all this up is Video Express AI. You give it an idea, and it helps turn it into a finished video, the kind of thing that used to take me days. It's the honest truth of how I keep up with the whole World Cup. If you're curious, there's a link down in the description. All right, back to the football. And then the champions, Argentina, against the stubborn Switzerland. Alexis Mac Allister gave Argentina an early lead, but Switzerland leveled through Dan and Doy just after the hour, and suddenly the holders were in trouble. The turning point? Switzerland's Briel Embolo was shown a second yellow card and sent off, leaving the Swiss a man down. Argentina made the extra man count in extra time. Julian Álvarez struck in the 112th minute, and Lautaro Martinez added a third right at the death. Argentina win 3-1, and the champions roll on. So there it is. Your semifinals are set, and what a Final Four it is. On one side, France against Spain, the reigning finalists versus the European champions. On the other, Argentina against England, the World Cup holders against the Three Lions. Here's a stat for you. Every single one of these 4 nations has won a World Cup before. France, Spain, Argentina, and England. There are no underdogs left. This is the heavyweight round, and it is going to be spectacular. 4 teams, 2 semifinals, and the trophy now within touching distance. France against Spain and Argentina against England. I genuinely cannot wait. I'll be right here to break down both semifinals as soon as they're played. So subscribe, ring that bell, and tell me down below who makes the final. Until the next whistle, we are so close now. See you soon.